Hi, this is Easy Ed, and in this minute, we are going to be looking at variables in Python. You can basically think of a variable as a sign or a label pointing to an object. In our latest video, we converted temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa. Let's say I have the high temperature in Celsius for two different cities, Reykjavik, Iceland, and Kinshasa, Congo, and I want to know the difference in the temperatures. But in Fahrenheit, this is a problem that requires several different steps. First, I need to convert the temperature of each city from Celsius to Fahrenheit. After I convert the first one, there is an object in my computer's memory with the type float, and I need a way to come back to this object later and refer to it and use it. So I will create a variable. In order to create a variable, we use the equal sign, which is called the assignment operator in Python, because it assigns a value to a variable. You should start your variable name with a lowercase letter, and then use any combination of upper and lowercase letters and numbers. It makes sense to choose a variable name that describes the variable, so that you, as the programmer, will remember what it is for. So, for example, I will convert the temperature in Reykjavik, and I will call that variable rake_temp. We often use underscores in variable names that are made of several words to make them more readable. So now that I've got the temperature in Reykjavik converted and stored in memory with the label rake_temp, I can forget about it for a moment and go on and convert the temperature in Kinshasa. I need to use a variable name to be able to refer to this value as well, so I will choose kin_temp. Okay, now I've got both temperatures converted and stored in memory with variables that I can use to refer to them. The next step is to subtract one temperature from the other. I can use my variable names in the calculation. I type kin_temp minus rake_temp. But wait a minute, I want to also be able to access the result of this calculation later, so I need to create a variable name for this as well. Let's call this one temp_diff. Now that that's done, I can have Python print a sentence about the temperature by entering print, parentheses, a string, comma, my variable temp_diff, another comma, and a string to finish it up, with a closing parentheses at the end. I press enter, and there's the sentence. So today we have learned that a variable is like a label we can use to refer to a particular object. We have learned how to assign the variable to a value using the assignment operator, and we have seen how we can come back and refer to the object again and again using the variable name. In the next minute, we will take a look at how variables can change the value they refer to. See you then.